like dumping you and me. Just.
Yeah, when we both hit the floor, we're both gonna be in trouble.
But we'll be laughing though.
If I pee on you, I'll be laughing.
Well, that's nice.
Well, if you dump me over, it just might happen because I kind of have a full bladder.
Okay then.
If you're lucky, I might even add a fart.
I thought that was my job.
Nope. Feeling kind of gassy. It could happen. Why are we staring at us?
He stopped moving.
Door there, dude. You're having a good time. Where's your ball?
This year, Santa left his sleigh at home and booked his trip around the world on Expedia.
All I saw was a white flash.
It's the flash in kitty form.
You ran him off. It's so sad to think that big cat was scared. Or should I say... I gotcha. It's such a cute little thing. It's such a cute little kitty. Oh. You're so cute. It's a kitty.
Damn it, man, look down. I will bite your nose. I could do it too. And then I'll show gas you.
That would suck if I dropped him.
Yeah. Set me free, man. Set me free.
Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap.
And there's the door.
Whoops.